every thought you have, every emotion you feel. Every choice, reaction, or memory comes from this, your brain. But how do emotions come from electricity? How can memories be shaped by molecules? This is where neuroscience and psychology begins. A field that asks, what is the brain doing when you become you? Neuroscience is the study of the nervous system, especially the brain. Psychology is the study of the mind and behavior. When the two meet, they form neuroscience psychology, the science of how brain structure and function shape human behavior, not just theory. This is science grounded in brain scans, chemical analysis, electrical signals, and real-life case studies. Neuroscience psychology is the lens that lets us ask, what's happening inside your head when you feel love, anger, fear, or joy? The brain is made of neurons, around 86 billion of them. Each one communicates through tiny electrical signals. Neuroscientists track these patterns to map where emotions live, how memories form, and what triggers behavior. Different brain areas are linked to different functions. Amygdala, fear and emotion. Hippocampus, memory formation. Prefrontal cortex, decision-making. Nucleus accumbens, reward and pleasure. Neuroscience psychology connects these dots. It's not just what people do, it's why they do it biologically. This field uses powerful tools to explore the brain. fMRI reveals which parts of the brain light up when you think or feel, records electrical patterns in the brain. Lesion studies examine what happens when parts of the brain are damaged. Neurotransmitter research studies chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, and cortisol. By combining brain data with behavior, psychologists can decode why some people are more anxious, how trauma affects memory, why habits are so hard to break, what's really happening in depression or addiction. Neuroscience psychology shapes real-world problems in mental health. Understanding brain chemistry helps treat disorders like PTSD, ADHD, and schizophrenia. In addiction, it shows how drugs rewire reward circuits and how recovery rewires them back. In education, it reveals how the brain learns, helping design better teaching and learning methods. In technology, brain-computer interfaces are turning thought into action, literally. But neuroscience isn't perfect. There's still a lot we don't know. Is consciousness just neurons? Are emotions fully chemical? Can brain scans really predict behavior? And what about free will? If the brain drives every decision, are we still in control? These are the questions neuroscience psychology dares to ask. And they force us to rethink what it means to be human. The brain is the most complex thing in the known universe. And neuroscience and psychology is our map. A map that helps us understand why we feel, why we act, why we struggle, and how we heal. So next time you wonder why you feel the way you do, remember, there's a reason in your biology, and science is getting closer to finding it.